What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another cruising motor video. Today we're going to be installing our front fork covers for the Harley 48. Super excited. Let's get started. So here's what's in the kit, guys. I bought these from Hopper USA. There are plenty of options in terms of covers that you can get for the bike. However, this one was discounted at about like $100 for the whole set. It comes with the covers in the bottom, clearly the covers that go up top, and they also include covers for the top, very top of the suspension as well. So $100, can't beat it. Super nice, super good deal. I will go ahead and link the description to those in the description below. All right, so we're using a 15/16 here. Seems like it fits just perfect. Nice and loose. I'm gonna go ahead and raise the bike. We got the bike a little bit up in the air, and we're gonna go ahead and start loosening up the pinch bolts here. So we're using a T45 for all these on both sides, using a, what is it, a 1/4 Allen there, and for the bottom we're using a 5/16. That's kind of what I got to fit. So alright guys, so now essentially I should be able to just pull this right out. Alright. So we now have the wheel off the bike. We're gonna go ahead and just start basically loosening up all of these bolts and pull out the suspension. So all we gotta do now is grab our suspension here. We're gonna grab the fork cover, slide her right on down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stick the sucker back in there, guys. Just like that. And all right. So onto the left side of the bike, we're gonna do exactly the same thing we just did, and simply just loosen it up. And just loosen up the pinch bolts. Just like that, suspension rolls right out. I'm gonna grab the cover, gonna go ahead and just kind of tighten some of these pinch bolts up to help it hold on. Just like that. Super easy to do, to be honest, not too crazy. Then we're gonna go ahead and, at the moment, here is the front fender. I was thinking about running without one, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep one for now, and then potentially later not run one. So I guess we'll see in the future what I will do. All right, so I already went ahead and adjusted the suspension up top to the same length, or I guess you could say gap. So now I'm just kind of slowly tightening the pinch bolts here. And then of course later on I will torque these down. All right, so once you got your suspension back on, you haven't tightened anything yet, but you know, you're probably working on it. You're gonna grab your zip tie here that is provided, and you're just gonna bring this all the way up. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's like shedding a lot of white everywhere. All right, so this seems better if you use a little bit of lube to help this like move a little bit easier. Oh yeah, guys, definitely do that. Lube it up first. Put in your washer, put in your nut, and then you just tighten that sucker down. All right, guys, so we have officially finished the Harley here. Last thing on the list to do is to tighten up both covers. All the covers, you have like this little dimple, which with that I'm using the small little Allen wrench that you go ahead and tighten up. You can see it on this cover right there as well. And there's two of them, one on the bottom and one up top. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that, and then that should be it.
Alright guys, installation is done. Bike is looking absolutely phenomenal. Slowly but surely, that vision is coming true of what I had for the Harley 48. It's been fun doing it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learn something from it and are able to, you know, potentially just follow and do it yourself as well. Yeah, it's been fun just kind of slowly picking at this bike. But like the video if you did, comment down below your thoughts on the 48 and the covers as well. And yeah, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.